Do you feel like your brain is ticking time bomb, ready to explode with stress and anxiety? You're not alone. In this video, we are diving deep into the science behind these powerful emotions. Stress and anxiety are unwelcoming companions in our daily lives, often blurring the lines between each other. Neuroscience offers fascinating insights into their distinct origins within the brain. Let's explore the pathways of the nervous system to understand the interplay of neurons and hormones that stimulate our stress response and the underlying mechanisms of anxiety. Imagine a wild dog cornering you. Your heart races, your breathing quickens, and a surge of energy courses through you. This is the fight or flight response, a primal survival mechanism. When faced with a stressor, real or perceived, the hypothalamus, a tiny control center deep within the brain, springs into action. It releases a hormone which acts like a messenger to the pituitary gland. The pituitary, in turn, releases hormone which travels through the bloodstream to the adrenal glands perched atop your kidneys. The adrenal glands then pump out cortisol, the quintessential stress hormone. Cortisol acts like a conductor in the body's mechanism. It increases blood sugar levels for immediate energy, elevates heart rate and blood pressure for action, and redirects resources away from non-essential functions like digestion. This intricate response system, honed by evolution, is designed to propel us into action when faced with danger. But what triggers this cascade of events? This is where the amygdala, often referred to as brain's fear center, steps in. The amygdala constantly scans sensory information for potential threats. When it perceives danger, it bypasses the rational processing center, the prefrontal cortex, and triggers an immediate stress response through the HPA axis. This explains why we might jump in fright at a sudden loud noise even before we consciously register the sound as a threat. The story doesn't end there. The prefrontal cortex also plays a crucial role in managing stress. It acts as a bridge between the amygdala's emotional alarm and the body's stress response. In a non-threatening situation, the prefrontal cortex can calm down the amygdala and prevent the HPA axis from overreacting. However, the chronic stress can weaken the prefrontal cortex's ability to regulate the amygdala, leading to heightened anxiety and difficulty switching off the fight or flight response. Anxiety disorders differ from stress in their intensity, duration, and the absence of a clear present threat. The amygdala, primed by past experiences or predisposition, becomes overly sensitive, misinterpreting neutral cues as danger sometimes. This leads to a chronic activation of the stress response systems even in the absence of real danger. By delving into the science of stress and anxiety, we gain valuable insights into the intricate workings of our brain. We learn that these expectations and experiences are not just figments of our imagination, but rather the culmination of complex neural and hormonal interactions. This understanding empowers us to approach stress and anxiety with a proactive approach. By incorporating stress management techniques like MBSR, exercise, regulation, mindfulness meditation, we can strengthen our prefrontal cortex and support its effort to regulate the amygdala. Remember, the brain is remarkably plastic, and with conscious effort, we can rewire our neural connections to foster resilience and cultivate a sense of calm in the face of life's challenges. So what can you do about stress and anxiety? We've got some science-backed tips coming your way in the next video. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell icon. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the science of stress and anxiety. We hope you learned something new. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and we'll do our best to answer them. Until next time, stay curious and stay calm.